the precision techniques of naval aviation, hoping to inspire a culture of excellence and service to country. The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in North Kingstown, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude, in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you and observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels, from Clinton Township, Michigan, Captain Tom Frosch. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Honolulu, Hawaii, Lieutenant Matt Siderhoud. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Sedan, Kansas, Lieutenant Andy Talbot. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Hummelstown, Pennsylvania, Lieutenant Commander Nate Barton. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Charleroi, Pennsylvania, Lieutenant Commander Mark Tedrow. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Bloomington, Illinois, Lieutenant Ryan Chamberlain. The noise level will soon become too high for you to hear a description of the checks they will be performing. However, please note that each aircraft was carefully inspected by expert Blue Angel maintenance personnel prior to this afternoon's aerial demonstration. The Blue Angels fly the Boeing F/A-18 Hornet, a multi-mission strike fighter, versions of which have been operational throughout the fleet since 1983.